Have a good one.
Enjoy your birthday.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Setu, many happy returns of the day. May Allah give you all the happiness in the world and a very healthy life. Our relationship, our friendship goes a long back since school, many years. We've had the best friendly relationship. We have also had our share of fights and disagreements, which you never say sorry because of your big ego you have. You are lucky to have a friend like me who's so humble in life. Just joking. I feel you're a very good soul and please stay that way. सब कहते हैं पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. I will say अपनी फ्रेंडशिप जिंदगी भर तक बाकी रहेगी मेरे दोस्त. You know, if you invite me for cake, for free cake, I can come anywhere. Cheers. Happy birthday once again. Take care.
Hey, happy birthday Setu. Have a great year ahead. Be safe, be healthy. All the best.
Happy birthday, Setu D. Have a lovely birthday. Enjoy your day and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Setu D. Hope you have an awesome day. Love you. Mwah.
Hey Setu, wish you a great happy birthday. Live life to the fullest and enjoy your birthday. May you get all the happiness in the world. Sure.
Hi Setu, many happy returns of the day. May you find peace and success, happiness and fulfillment, all that your heart desires. Have a bright and cheerful birthday. Enjoy and be safe. Bye.
Hi Setu, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all His blessings and you do extremely well in your life. God give you peace and all His good wishes. Enjoy your day.
Hi Setu, wish you a very happy birthday. It's your day. Wish you all the happiness in this world. I miss our Tom and Jerry moments a lot. Hope to see you soon. Have a fantabulous year ahead. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day, Setu. Have a wonderful day and year ahead. Sending you lots of love and regards for today. And I wish I could be there to celebrate this day with you. Missing you heaps and heaps. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Setu. Today is a big day.
Wishing you lots of happiness, fun celebration and some great treats.
Enjoy.
Hey Setu, wish you a very happy birthday and loads of happiness. You deserve every bit of it. Have a rocking year ahead. Love you a loads.
Hi, it's the birthday for a beautiful girl named Setu. Setu the bridge. A wonderful person, a warm-hearted person. Wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you always remain happy in everything you do. Bye.
Happy birthday, Setu. Cheers to a fantastic year ahead of you. Hope you have a great day with your friends, family, and everyone around you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Take care.
Hi Setu, happy birthday. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Have fun.
Wish you a lot of happiness and good wishes for your birthday. Have fun. Have a rocking time. Let's catch up soon.
Happy birthday, gorgeous Setu. Stay the vibrant and the beautiful person that you are. Stay blessed. Have a COVID-free year. And make it a point that you meet me at least 4 to 5 times in a year. More often that you promised me to do. And once the COVID thing gets over, we need a rocking party. Bye. Take care.
Hi Setu. Wish you a very happy birthday. In school we were just poles apart, and after school we were not in contact with each other. But over the period of years, in 2012 when we met again, we became best friends for life. And today I really miss those conversations when we used to call each other 4 to 5 times a day, where we used to go late night drives, yogurt and so on. I really miss those days. But let me tell you that I am blessed to have you as my best friend in my life. I wish you all the happiness and love you get in your life. Never change yourself. Always keep smiling. Once again, a very happy birthday. Have a rocking birthday.
Happy birthday, Setu.
Have a great day.
Many happy returns of the day, Setu. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Setu. A very happy birthday to one of the most beautiful, lovely, sweet and joyful human beings I've known. And going by your nature, I'm sure you must have had a fun-filled birthday. So please keep wearing the magical smile you have, and you bring joy to a lot of people around you. And in the end, I would only like to tell you that please count your life not by tears but by smiles, and count your age by the number of friends you have and not by the number of years you are living. So once again, a very happy birthday and stay blessed and happy. Bye.
Hi Setu, wishing you a very happy birthday. I'm glad I met you on your birthday, and it was good to see you after a very long time. I hope you had a great day, and I hope you have the best year ahead. Bye.
Hi Setu, a very happy birthday to you. Take care, have a great day ahead.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Setu. Have a good one and enjoy yourself. Bye. Take care.
A very happy, healthy birthday to a very warm and wonderful you. Happy birthday, Setu. Stay blessed, stay just the way you are, and keep spreading joy with that lovely smile of yours. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Setu, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you with lots and lots of abundance and love, happiness, everything you need, and stay happy. And I'll never miss your birthday. My dad's birthday is on the same day. Bye.
Hi Setu, first of all apologies for really recording this video very late, being too busy with the kids and the work or whatever, but again it's not a good excuse. So here it is, the much awaited birthday wish for my very dear friend Setu. I wish you a very happy birthday, have a most beautiful year ahead and an even more beautiful life. And I mean, I could go on, but I don't want to make this video very long. But you know, I think what I've been realizing of late is the fact that you know, although we might not meet so much or talk very frequently, there's really a very special bond that you and I share, and I really wish you the very best in life. You take care and lots of love, and we meet soon. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Setu. Sorry to bear my singing, but I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Setu, you are the, you know, you remind me of that butterfly that always smiling and chirpy. We don't meet very often, but whenever I talk to you or whenever we meet, it is just like this and we catch up very fast, and it's really nice to meet you and just chat with you. So I just wish that your smile, your charm, your butterfly nature always remains. Wish you lots and lots of love, happiness and smiles.
Hi Didi, wish you a very very happy birthday. You are a great sister, not a sister-in-law. I always love you and you teach us a lot of things, that the family is the first priority, which I love about you, and the other things is you always respect elders. You are always perfect in doing everything of yours. I love you. Have a great time. Have a great day.
Hi Didi, wish you a very many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great year ahead and have a good life. Thank you for being there always in all the good and bad times with me. Happy birthday once again. Love you.